Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you people are aware, you people are familiar using the Salesforce reports. Basically, we will use the Salesforce reports to view the data frequently. But when we run the report, it will display the recent only the recent data available at the time of running the report. Like, have you ever thought of how the data has changed from the last month to the present month? Like, you need to compare the data, like tracking the pipeline, like thing. For that, we have an amazing feature called as reporting snapshot. What is this reporting snapshot? It basically captures and stores the data of a particular of a particular report at a scheduled time. Like we need to give the date and time so that it will capture and store the data in a custom object that we create. To create a reporting snapshot, we need three things. One is the source report and the custom object and the reporting snapshot that we create. So let us create a source report first. I will show you a demo how to create a reporting snapshot. We will go with the opportunities. We can add what we want. Opportunity owner. We'll take opportunity name, amount, and stage, and also close date. Yeah. Let me add the filters. Show me all opportunities. Close date all time. And let us save this report. We'll name it as opportunity source. Opportunity snapshots. It will be better to identify. Okay, let it be public reports. We have created the source report. And second thing is we need to create a custom objects with the same fields. Like we have taken the amount and stage name and the opportunity name in the report, right? Opportunity name, amount, stage, and close date. We need to create a custom object with the respective fields. Let's do that. Go to the object manager, create a custom object. Let's name it as snap opportunities. Mm, Make sure that you allow the reports. Is this is checked? Mm, Yeah, save. Let's go to the fields and create the fields that are required. And the fields must be same as these things, like you have taken the source report. And if my suggestion is, if there is any field related to date and currency, then just select the same data type as that. Like for this, the data type is date, and for amount, the data type is currency. And while coming to the opportunity and stage, for stage it is pick list, and for opportunity name it is like text only. I suggest you to go for amount and close date as the same data type, and for remaining things you just go with the text data type, so that if any changes made in the opportunity object, like any stage is added, we no need to update in the in the custom object that we create now. It will automatically take the text from it. First thing is opportunity name, so we'll go with the text. Next, opportunity name. Length we can give 255, no problem. Next, visible to all. Next. Save and new. Next thing is amount. Amount is a currency field, currency data type. We'll take currency as a data type. Next, amount. If you want any decimals, you can do that. Next, visible to all. Save and new. Next thing is the stage. Stage there is a pick list and we will take it as a text. Length will give okay 255. Next, save and new. And the last field is close date. Let's go with the date type. This is the close date, right? Hit on save. And we have created the custom object with the required fields what we have in the source report. Remember that whatever fields you have taken in the source report, that fields must be in the in our custom object. Now let's go to the setup and in the search bar go for search for reporting snapshot. Click on continue. New reporting snapshot, and let's name it as opportunity snap. Running user. And here we need to select the source report that we have created the source report. This is our source report by name opportunity snap source. And in the target object we need to select the custom object that we have created. Select it and click on save and edit field mappings. For amount. For close date, give it close date. For opportunity name. Snap up. For snap opportunity name, we'll go with reporting snapshot name, no problem. And for stage, we have created a stage. Yeah, stage. Save. We have created a source report and a custom object along with the fields, and we have mapped it. Now we need to schedule it. Like as I said before, we need to specify the particular timings. Like you need to capture the data in the month starting. Like if you want to compare monthly, and or else if you want to compare weekly, you need to schedule the time weekly once. For to set that, we need to add it here. Schedule reporting snapshot. If you want an email after the completion of the snapshot, you can just click on this. In my case, I don't need, so I'm unchecking that. If you want daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever you want, you can add it on the first day of every month or on the another day. And you here you need to give the start and end day. Like you, if you want to go for 1 year from now, and we'll be entering that. Prefer start time, select it. It will automatically select one, and click on save. We have created and we have scheduled the schedule for on first day of every month, so that what it will capture the data on the first day of every month from the opportunity object, and we can easily track the changes. Like if any amount has been changed or any stage has been moved, we can easily identify, like we can easily pinpoint the major differences by using this. After when the snapshot runs, we will get the history here, run history. If it is success, we will get a success, like the snapshot run successfully, and start we'll get the details like when the snapshot runs, date and time. And also all the data which we got will be stored in the custom objects as records. See, this is the beautiful point. The data from the report will be captured as a record in the custom object, and we need to create a report on that, on the custom object we have created now. So that this is the picture. Here it is how it looks when we run the report on the custom object that we have created. The reporting snapshot captures the data and stores in the custom object, and we create a report on that custom object, and we'll be getting the data like this. Like here I have scheduled it for daily for this report, so it is giving me the date along with the sum of the amount and stages. But if you schedule it for monthly, this will be like January, February, March, April, so that we can easily compare the data, like pinpoint the major differences, like what will be the change, what is the change in the closed won stages of the amount and everything. And there are some limits for this, like we can create only 100 fields in the custom object, and only 2000 records are allowed to load at a time. Like if you in the in the source report we have some 3000, 4000 records, it won't take those many records in the custom objects. It will load only 2000 records from your source report. And the benefit is that we can easily compare the data for over a period of time, and stores the data from the report as a records in the custom objects.